Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix any missing network adapter in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Scan for hardware changes. Show hidden devices. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Disable VPN and proxy if available. Third method is network and internet troubleshooting. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Fifth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Change all and auto-config service settings. Sixth method is network reset. Seventh method is update Windows. Eighth method is turn off computer, remove cables, press the on button for 10 seconds and connect again, turn on computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.